Hey, I'm Jason Culpepper, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Progressive Foam, and today we're going to talk about 4 signs that insulated vinyl siding might be right for you. Number 1, you have high utility bills. Number 2, your home's just uncomfortable. Number 3, your current siding's damaged. Or number 4, you want less maintenance. A lot of people struggle with which energy efficient upgrades are going to provide the most energy savings for the investment. But it's a no-brainer that adding insulation is going to help you reduce your utility bills. 35% of the energy loss in your house is through the walls. That's compared to 25% through the roof, 15% through the foundation, 15% through doors, and only 10% through windows. So once again, the most, 35%, is actually through the side walls of your house because that's where the most surface area is. By using insulated vinyl siding, you can wrap your whole house in an energy-saving blanket of insulation, which will reduce your energy loss. It'll help you lower your energy or your heating and cooling bills. It'll actually put more money in your pocket and help you pay back the investment you just made in new siding. Not only can adding insulation help you reduce your bills, but by doing so, it's also going to make your house more comfortable. If you have a room in your house, maybe upstairs, that's just really hard to keep cool in the summertime, it's always really warm. Or do you also have a corner in your house that's really cold, it feels drafty and cold? If your home's under insulated, it can make your whole house uncomfortable, forcing you to turn up the air conditioning or even add layers of clothing in the winter. Are there any spots on your house where you've got cracked or dented or chipped siding? The number one goal of new siding is to make your house look good. So some products like traditional vinyl siding can create a hollow gap between the siding and your home, leaving it susceptible to impact damage. Insulated vinyl siding, though, features contoured insulation that's custom shaped to fit the exact profile of the siding. The insulation acts like a shock absorber, taking the impact, then returning to shape, which protects the siding from the blow. A lot of siding products require routine maintenance, such as caulking or scraping, repainting, or staining. So even if it looks perfect when it's first installed, you have to do regular maintenance to keep up the appearance and ensure that the siding continues to protect your home from the elements. Unlike other products, insulated vinyl siding never needs to be painted or caulked, and it can be easily cleaned with just mild soap and water from a garden hose when it's necessary. Okay, so we just went over 4 reasons why insulated vinyl siding may be right for you. You have high utility bills, your home's uncomfortable, your current siding's damaged, or you just want less maintenance. To learn more about insulated vinyl siding and why it might be the right choice for you, download our ultimate guide at the link above. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button or subscribe to our YouTube channel.